Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video, we are going to solve one very interesting question from radical maths. We are going to evaluate fifth root of 80 square root 5 plus 176. So let's get started. Let us assume fifth root equal to x first. Now raise power 5 both sides. Fifth root and power 5 will be over. We will write x power 5 will be equal to 80 square root 5 plus 176. Now I can write here x power 5 is positive. So for real x must be greater than 0. Now we can assume y power 5, which will be equal to conjugate of x power 5. So we'll write 80 square root 5 minus 176. Now we can subtract second equation from first one. We will get x power 5 minus y power 5 equal to 352. Let's say this is our equation 1. Now we are going to multiply these two. So I can write here x power 5 times y power 5. This will be equal to 80 square root 5 plus 176 times 80 square root 5 minus 176. So we have a plus b times a minus b form. We can utilize difference of two squares formula. So we can write 80 square root 5 whole square minus 176 whole square. So square of 80 square root 5 is 32,000 and square of 176 is 30,976. Difference will come out 1024, which is 4 power 5. So LHS we can write xy whole power 5. RHS is 4 power 5. For real xy value, we will take fifth root both sides. We can write xy equal to 4. This would be equation number 2. Now from here I can write y will be equal to 4 over x. Now I will write our equation 1. X power 5 minus y power 5 equal to 352. Now this y value we will apply here. So we can write x power 5 minus 4 power 5 over x power 5 will be equal to 352. Now I will write our radicand. Let's find condition. So I can write here 80 square root 5 plus 176. The approximate value is 354. So I can write this would be lying in the interval 243 and 1024. Now here I will write x power 5. 243 is 3 power 5. 1024 is 4 power 5. So x is lying in the interval 3 and 4. This is very important condition. Now we will assume x minus 4 over x equal to a. Let me write here x power 5 minus 4 power 5 over x power 5 equal to 352 and x is lying in the interval 3 and 4. Now let us assume x minus 4 over x equal to a. Once x is in the interval 3 and 4, a must be always positive. So condition on a is a positive. Now we will apply binomial expansion. X minus 4 over x whole power 5. So we can write expansion here. Expansion coefficients will be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 1. Let's write here. I will write here x power 5 minus 5 is next coefficient. I will write 5 times decrement in the power of x. So x power 4 will be here times 4 over x. Then we have coefficient 10. We will write plus 10 here. Alternate plus minus sign. Decrement in the power of x. This time we will write x cube times 4 over x whole square. Here we will increase the power. Then next coefficient is 10. So we will write minus 10 times x square, and then we will write 4 over x, power will be 3. And then we will write plus 5 times x times 4 over x, whole power will be 4. And then we will write coefficient 1 term, it would be minus 4 over x whole power 5. Now we have to arrange the terms. Let me write here. Here it is. Now we are knowing x minus 4x, 4 over x. Here also we will write x minus 4 over x as a. X power 5 minus 4 power 5 over x power 5. This is 352. Only the constraint is we do not know this bracket. So let us find out. I will write here x minus 4 over x whole cube formula. This will be equal to x cube minus 4 cube over x cube minus 3 times x times 4 over x times x minus 4 over x. So x minus 4 over x is a. So a cube equal to x cube minus 4 cube over x cube. Now this x and x will be over. We will write minus 12, 3 times 4, and x minus 4 over x is a. So we are getting x cube minus 4 cube over x cube value. This will be equal to a cube plus 12a, which we will apply here. So I can write our equation a power 5. This would be our LHS. X power 5 minus 4 power 5 over x power 5. This is 352. Minus 20 times. In the bracket, we'll write the calculated value a cube plus 12a. Then we will write plus 160a. Now we have to simplify RHS. So I can write a power 5. Let's write all the terms to one side. Plus 20 times a cube plus 80 times a minus 352 equal to 0. This is one quintic equation. I will use synthetic division method and rational root theorem. So let us find out the eligible factors of 352. So if I will write, I can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 8, and so on. Leading coefficient is 1, so I can write here plus minus 1 only. Now we have to consider the ratio of constant to leading term coefficient. If I will plug in a equal to 1, will it satisfy? 1 plus 20 plus 80 minus 352. No, it won't. If I will plug in a equal to 2, so 2 power 5 is 32 plus 20 times 8, 160 plus 80 times 2, 160 minus 352. So this will give us 320 minus 320, which is making our RHS equal to 0. So I can say here a equal to 2 is our base solution. Now I will write all the coefficients of degree 5 equation. So coefficient of a power 5 is 1. A power 4 is missing, we will write 0. A cube coefficient is 20. A square is missing, we will write 0. Then we have 80. Constant is minus 352. Now leading coefficient we will write as it is 1. Now we have to multiply base solution with this leading coefficient 1. So 2 times 1 is 2. Now we will add these two. We will write here 2. 2 times 2 is 4. We will add these two. We will write here 24. 2 times 24 is 48. After addition we can write here 48. Now 2 times 48 is 96. Once we will add, we will write here 176. 2 times 176 is 352. Addition will be 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. So let me write our quadratic equation here. A power 4 plus 2a cube plus 24a square plus 48a plus 176 equal to 0. Now we can pass one statement here. All the coefficients of this equation, you can see all coefficients are positive. So the real value of a which will satisfy this equation will be a negative. Now our condition on a was a positive. That means we will be getting complex solutions. So we will reject this quadratic equation as we are looking for real a. Now accepted a would be a equal to 2. A was x minus 4 over x equal to 2. Let's solve this equation. I will multiply both sides by x. Now we will write x square minus 4 equal to 2x, or x square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. Now we can apply quadratic formula. X equal to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. As per our equation, a is 1, b is negative 2, c is negative 4. Let's apply. X will be equal to 2 plus minus 2 square is 4, minus 4 times 1 times minus 4 over 2 times 1 is 2. So I can write this will be equal to 2 plus minus 4 plus 16, which will be equal to square root 20 over 2 equal to 2 plus minus, we can write this will be equal to 2 square root 5 over 2 or equal to 1 plus minus root 5. Now x was lying in the interval 3 and 4. So we are having two values of x. First one is 1 plus square root 5, which is positive. And second is 1 minus square root 5. Square root 5 is approximately 2.23. So I can write this is negative. So we will reject this solution. So our accepted value would be 1 plus square root 5. So we will write our answer x equal to square root 5 plus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.